Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm your host, Marian Honor, and today we'll be playing a little matchmaking game called Pusuan or Laruan! Woo! Here's how the game works. As you can see, we have a lineup of gorgeous binibinis over here, and we'll also be bringing out some eligible single bachelors one by one. So, girls, kung napupusuan nyo yung ating sexy single, type nyo siya, or interested kayo sa sasabihin niya, do not pop your balloon. Pero kung feeling nyo hindi nyo siya napupusuan, di kayo magmamatch or magbavibe, you can go ahead and pop your balloon. Are you ready, singles?
Yeah!
Are you ready, singles? All right, let's play Pusuan or Laruan! All right, here comes our first sexy single.
Hello! Hi!
Hi.
What's your name and how old are you?
I'm Waps, 29, onboarding associate at Angkas.
All right, and what are your hobbies or what do you like to do for fun?
I love to sing kahit hindi gusto sa akin ng kanta. And I love bands. Nanonood ako usually ng gig kapag free time ko.
Okay. And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality or physical?
For me, yung who's supportive and yung mabibigyan ako ng peace of mind.
Okay. And ano naman mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Yung poor communication.
Poor communication.
Kasi example may problema na tapos hindi pa sinasabi. Paano malalaman ganun?
Okay. All right. So right now we have some pop balloons. So tanungin natin isa-isa kung bakit sila nag-pop. Hi. What's your name? How old are you? And what do you do for a living?
My name is Maru, 28, and I'm a business analyst. The reason why I pop, hindi lang ako physically attracted. Yan lang po.
Is there any particular reason kung ba't hindi ka physically attracted sa kanya?
My preference lang po.
What's your usual preference?
Ano ba? Wala naman po. Hindi lang physically attracted po.
Okay. Siya naman ba? Type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, for sure.
Okay. Type naman pa sana. Final ka dun sa decision mo?
Yes, thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Ja. 28. I'm an analyst in the BPO industry.
Okay, and Ja, why did you pop your balloon?
Ano lang po, hindi ko lang feel. So parang inintay ko naman na sabihin niya yung ano niya. And wala naman siyang sinabing like nakaka-offer pero like for the overall parang I'm just not seeing it na magva-vibe kami.
In a romantic way. Okay. And do you have any response doon sa sinabi niya? Or?
Wala.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya if ever hindi siya nag-pop?
Maganda naman siya.
Okay. Alright. Well, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. I'm 23. I work as a customer service representative. I popped my balloon kasi you mentioned you love bands. Nanonood ka ng bands. Yun ba yung mga live bands? So, hindi ako masyadong doon. So, parang magko-collide yung interest natin na parang hindi tayo magbabond. So, yun. That's why I popped my balloon.
Pero kung hindi naman siya into bands, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Hindi rin po kasi I didn't feel the spark or like the energy. Parang, ganun.
Anong response mo dun sa sinabi niya?
Maganda yung sagot niya. Okay sa akin yun.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya, if ever?
Lahat naman sila maganda sila.
Okay. Alright, thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Judith Salgado. I'm a RPA developer. Kaya pinato ko yung balloon kasi yung age mo. Tapos, yun lang. Hindi ko ma-feel yung vibe mo. Then, hindi rin ako physically attracted. Sorry. Yun.
Okay lang.
Is there any specific reason kung bakit hindi ka attracted to him in that way?
Parang nakikita ko siyang tropa ko, taga sa amin.
Baka taga sa inyo talaga.
Kasi ganun pala.
Parang siyang mga taga sa amin, taga kanto. Kuya.
Ano namang response mo doon?
Ganun din, semi lang.
Ganun
Parang
din na
mas
taga-kanto
magtropa.
rin siya.
Tropa vibes.
Tropa vibes. Okay. So, type mo ba sana siya kung hindi yun yung sinabi niya?
Pareho lang.
Okay. Pero magkalapit lang pala kung if ever taga sa inyo, di ba?
Baka isang street lang tayo.
Oo. Final ka na dun sa decision mo?
Okay.
Hindi na. Okay.
Hi, I'm Clars. I'm 29 years old and I'm a marketing associate.
Okay, so Clars, bakit mo pinop yung balloon mo?
I popped the balloon kasi feeling ko parang co-worker and tropa vibes kami. Parang feeling ko masyado siya mabait for me. Masungit kasi ako eh. Kasi baka ma-shock ka sa akin. Ganun. It's a me problem. It's a me problem. Ikaw, I think mabait ka. So, baka hindi okay.
Baka naman mag-balance each other out kayo.
Hindi talaga. Feeling ko co-worker and tropa vibe. Feeling ko.
Anong response mo dun sa sinabi niya?
Ayun. Mukha lang din na talaga mabait.
Mukha lang.
Mukha lang.
So, hindi naman talaga. Meron ka bang bad boy energy na tinatago dyan?
Depende.
Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yes.
Okay. Final ka na dun sa decision mo.
Final naman po.
Alright, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Lizzie. I'm 32. I'm an IT engineer and a plus-size model. So the reason why I popped the balloon is it's giving me the tropa vibe. So feeling ko sa hairline, the guhit, and the gig, yun, dun kami magkakasundo. And other than that, tropa.
And ano namang response mo dun sa sinabi niya?
Same lang din, tropa rin. Tapos, mas astig siya sa akin eh.
Okay. Well, thank you so much. Okay. Well, unfortunately, nag-pop lahat ng balloons. Pero thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
Sana makasali ka ulit sa mga next episodes namin.
Hopefully. Thank you. Salamat.
All right, here comes our next sexy single. Hi. All right, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm Francis Albert Musni and I'm 29 years old.
Okay, and Francis, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
Right now, I'm a social media analyst. Work from home lang sa bahay.
Okay. And ano namang mga hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Usually, every weekends, I'm playing basketball.
Okay.
Then, since work from home lang naman, sa bahay, after the work, I play Dota.
Okay. How about yung ideal partner? Anong hanap mo sa isang ideal partner?
Ideal partner, una-una syempre spontaneous na girl. Then, morena. Then, maganda yung mata. Like
Okay. Meron bang hindi magandang mata dyan? How about yung mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Mapag-uusapan naman yun siguro. Or
Okay.
mababago. If ever ayoko, then sige, try natin na yun. Pag wala talaga, andyan ka na eh. Sige.
Diyan ka na. Ano yun? Nag-settle. Ano yun? Okay, alright. So, I see we have 2 pop balloons over here. So, punta natin sila and let's ask why they popped their balloons. Hello!
Hi, I'm Judith Salgado and I'm 33 years old. I am a software engineering. And I popped my balloon because I think you're too young for me because I'm 33 and you like playing games, right? I don't like that guy.
Ayaw mo yung ganong,
Ayoko.
yung nagpe-play ng games. Kahit literal games na nga, hindi to love games or anything.
Hindi naman siguro yung, okay lang siguro yung mga 1 hour, 2 hours. Pero yung aabutin ng 5 hours, ganyan, 6 hours na.
Pero kung hindi siya nagpe-play ng games and hindi yun yung age niya, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Hindi din. I'm more on average guy and mas matanda sa akin.
Do you have any response sa sinabi niya?
No naman. It's
Wala
okay.
naman. Okay lang.
Pero she's beautiful.
Okay, so type mo naman sana siya. Oh, sayang oh. Okay, well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Clars. I'm 29 and I'm a marketing associate.
Okay, so Clars, bakit mo pinop yung balloon mo?
Kasi hindi ako spontaneous na morena na maganda ang mata. So I don't think he will be physically attracted to me. IT. So,
So, sa feeling mo, hindi ka pumasa sa checklist niya?
yes. Yes, so hindi ko na ipipilit. Huwag natin ipilit.
Okay. And do you have any response to what she said?
Thank you.
Thank you na hindi niya pinilit. Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana si Clors or talagang set ka dun sa checklist mo na morena and
Yes.
all that?
Yes, check ako dun sa...
Gusto mo talaga yung
Gusto yung
checklist
checklist
mo?
ko, yes.
Okay, alright.
So, good na hindi namin nilaban.
Yes.
Good na. Good. Okay.
Loving the sass. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so we still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 balloons left. So just based on what you're seeing right now, mag-pop ka ng 2 balloons.
I think si...
Alright, let's start over here.
Hi, my name is Maru. I'm 28 and I'm a business analyst.
Okay, so Maru, bakit hindi ka nag-pop ng balloon agad for him?
There wasn't any indication that I would pop my balloon. Yun lang, actually.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya if he didn't pop your balloon?
Okay lang.
Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Okay, and how about for you? Bakit siya yung naisipan mong i-pop?
Compare kasi dun sa mga meron pang balloons, parang meron pa akong mas gusto. Bukod sa kanya. Yung
Okay.
ganun.
Pero wala namang anything specific na...
Wala naman. Wala naman akong ayaw sa kanya or something.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Lizzie. I'm 32. I'm an IT engineer and a plus-size model. So, the reason why I didn't pop my balloon initially kasi he mentioned about spontaneous and that's one of my traits, yeah. I guess it reflects. And then, yeah.
So, type mo naman sana siya?
I think he's fine naman.
Okay. And how about you? Bakit siya yung napili mong i-pop?
I have, and I think because his criteria, I'm not part of the Morena group.
Is that true? Oo nga. Siya pala yung spokesperson mo. How about you? I'll ask you, ano bang reason mo bakit siya napili mo i-pop?
Parang mas astig pa kasi siya sa akin. Baka di ko kayanin.
So, mas astig, feeling mo mas astig yung personality niya than
Yes,
you. Do you have any response to
I
that?
get
Or?
I guess weak men create masculine women.
And that's it.
Okay. All right, well, thank you so much.
So I'm Darla, I'm 22. I work in the tech industry. I'm a cloud engineer.
Okay, and Darla, why did you pop your balloon?
Honestly, sa una, spontaneous din kasi akong girl, so nagustuhan ko sa kanya yun. And then, in-observe ko siya kanina, maganda naman yung suot niya, and then I like the wang-od tattoo in the back of the ear, and ano. Pero, na-mention niya yung, basketball. So, I'm not really into guys who play basketball. Also, I know na parang medyo controversial, but as a tall girly, like as a 5'5" girl, I'm really into, or I prefer more na mas taller sa akin, or like with a distinct height gap.
Okay. Pero ayaw mo ng short king.
No, I'm sorry. Pero he's a good-looking guy, and I feel like mas okay kaming parang tropa lang gano'n, sa Dota or whatsoever. You know.
Do you have any response to that?
Sayang. Ganun.
Sayang. Oh! Huwag ka na daw mag-basketball kasi Dota na lang daw.
Madali yun itigil.
Yun naman pala eh. Nag-walk off na agad. Pero final ka na dun sa choice mo? Okay. Alright. Well, thank you so much. So, right now, we have 2 balloons left. So, since dalawa na lang sila naman yung magtatanong ng questions sa'yo.
I'm Ja, 28 years old, and I'm an analyst in the BPO industry.
Okay, and Ja, meron ka bang question for our sexy single?
For example, may pinakilala siya na girl sa family niya. Tapos, parang his parents are parang against it. Like, how would he take it? Or, parang ganun po.
Anong response mo dun?
Since ako naman yung nagpakilala dun sa babae, I will convince my family na ito yung gusto kong kasama. Wala kayong magagawa. Kami yung magsasama.
Ay. Wag kayo, nag-pop kayo.
May balon pa ba dyan?
Ibalik daw. Okay, you good with that? Okay, alright, thank you.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. I'm 23. I work as a customer service representative. So, ito ang gustong-gusto ko talagang itanong. As a party girl,
Yes.
red flag ba sa'yo yung nagbabar? Like, girl na nagpupunta sa bar to unwind?
May kasama ka na pag gano'n.
Yeah.
Hindi, I mean...
I think he means na sasamahan ka niya. Yun ba?
Yes.
So, feeling mo match naman kayo in that sense. Oh, ba't biglang may nag-pop? Pala decision. Ayun, so match naman pala kayo in that sa party scene.
Wala naman problema sa ganun.
Kasi hindi ako morena.
Yun lang.
Deal breaker ba talaga sa'yo yun?
Yes.
Alam mo, mag-beach na lang kayo.
Ayoko magpatan. Sayang.
Oh, okay. So, hindi talaga. Talagang morena yung hanap mo. Oh, okay. Pero type mo naman sana siya.
Well, he's a good looking and I like the fit. And yeah, I love how you present yourself.
Yeah.
If she was morena, would you have gone with her?
Yes. Yes.
Beach. Tanning salon. Yun naman pala.
Sensitive yung skin ko sa araw. Hindi talaga kaya magpatay.
Okay, maybe it's just not meant to be. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, so I heard another pop balloon over here. Bakit ka nag-decide na mag-pop ng balloon?
Kasi dapat nag-giveaway na ako kasi parang sabi niya sasamahan niya daw bar, ganon. So sabi ko, ay okay, ganon na sila. Pero I was observing him din. He's good looking naman po. Pero more on sa akin din, tropa vibes po. So, ayun.
Is there any particular reason bakit naging from dating to tropa vibes yung na-feel mo sa kanya?
Siguro po yung sa part na naglalaro po siya. Kasi parang may experience lang po ako doon na hindi maganda. So, yun lang.
Na-trauma sa gamers ba?
Ayun lang naman po. Pero good po siya. He's good. Yan.
Okay, and do you have any response to that?
Madali naman itigil yung paglalaro.
Talaga? But that might be a part of you. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi siya nag-pop ng balloon?
Yes, okay naman.
Kahit na hindi siya morena?
Hindi. Dalawa na lang kasi sila natitira kaso nag-pop siya. Okay, bye.
Okay. So, if ever na ibalik yung balloon niya, would you go out on a date with her?
Depende sa sagot niya kung
Would you want a balloon back? Ay, pa-suspense naman. Kala ko naman, okay na. Pwede daw itigil yung games. Okay, all right. Well, thank you so much, sayang. So, since na-pop na lahat ng balloons, I guess just join one of our next episodes. Unfortunately, your match isn't here today, but thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
All right, here comes our next sexy single. Hello.
Hello.
Hi, so what's your name and how old are you?
I'm James Gilara and I am 26 years old.
Okay, and what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
I'm currently a content creator and owner of Black Esports, esports in the Philippines.
Okay.
Nagko-compete kami sa iba't ibang bansa.
Okay, cool. Ano namang mga hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Playing basketball, mobile games, and pag umaga, nag-jog naman ako.
And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality or physical?
For me, gusto ko lang naman, simple lang. Walang arte sa katawan.
Okay. How about mga deal breakers mo or pag nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Siguro yung pagka-childish.
Alright, so I think we heard some pop balloons. So, isa-isa natin sila. Let's find out why they decided to pop. Okay, let's go over here.
Hi, I'm Ja, 28 years old. I work as an analyst.
So, Ja, bakit ka nag-pop ng balloon mo?
Yung sa statement lang po na ayaw ng, gusto niya simple lang yung walang arte sa katawan. Aminado po kasi madami akong arte sa katawan. Yun lang po.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi niya sinabi yun?
Sakto lang po.
Sakto lang. So, you wouldn't have gone out on a date with him or you would still go out with him?
Di po.
Any reason why, aside from mga sinabi mo?
Yung sabi po ni Direk, medyo mukhang nakakatakot na.
May pa-shoutout pa kay Direk. Direk Carlo. Kasalanan pala ni Direk. Direk, wag ka na nga magsasabi ng...
Hindi na ano ko din na parang ay oo nga. May medyo may ganong vibe lang pero hindi kuya okay. Goods mo tayo. Yan lang po.
Okay, and James, anong response mo sa kanya?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Okay.
Di ako serial
Disclaimer
killer.
lang, hindi siya.
Disclaimer lang
hindi.
po
Okay.
Mukha lang po.
Okay. Hindi ka daw kasi nagsusmile kanina, sabi direct.
Ano na talaga ako? Nonchalant.
Okay, nonchalant. Oh, yun yung vibe niya, nonchalant. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi siya nag-pop?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, type ka daw niya. Ba't ganyan ka tumingin sa akin? Parang takot. Hindi mo naman kailangan. Tinatanong lang kita. Final ka na sa decision mo?
Yes po.
Okay, well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Darla. I'm 22. I work at the tech industry. I'm a cloud engineer.
Okay, so Darla, ba't ka nag-pop ng balloon mo?
First of all, ayoko talaga ng guys na naglalaro ng basketball. It's not you, it's me. It's not you, it's me. Second is, hindi ko bet yung mga nonchalant guys. Nakuha ko agad yung vibe na yun. I like very chalant. I like very chalant men. Pero ayun, parang, I feel like yung energy ko will be too much for him kasi I'm very high energy na parang jolly and very out there and medyo childish din ako minsan. So I feel like we're not gonna vibe. Ayan.
But like, aside from his personality, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Actually, kanina, up close, cute pala siya. Di pa siya mukhang serial killer if he smiles. So next time, every time you look at a girl, mag-smile ka naman. Mamamaya gumagano.
Thank you.
Yeah, pero I just don't see our wavelength matching. So, ayan.
Okay, and do you have any response to what she said?
Yeah, okay lang din.
Okay. Napaka-nonchalant talaga ni... Okay.
Yeah, okay lang din kasi...
Okay lang din.
Parang new vibes niya kasi parang tropa. For me.
So, romantically, yung vibes niyo baka hindi mag-go together?
Parang hindi magtugma.
Pero kung hindi ganun yung personality niya, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Siguro.
Okay. Okay.
Joke lang.
Alright. So, pero final na yung decision mo on that. Okay, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Clarence. I'm 29. I'm a marketing associate. So, ako kasi, nakita ko naman he's decent, he's, di ba, presentable naman siya. Pero kasi, narinig ko yung age, 26, di ba? He's younger than me. Number 1 yun. Number 2 kasi, sabi niya, gusto niya simple lang, hindi maarte. Maarte po akong tao, so, hindi kami magwa-match on that sense.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi niya sinabi yun?
I think I would naman, sana. Pero kasi the age and the, it's not talaga.
Do you have any response to that?
Sa age, siguro, what do you call this? Kalimutan ko.
Sa age?
Hindi, yung sa age, siguro, for me, wala namang problema.
Okay, so any like age bracket, okay naman sa'yo na younger or older than you, ganon?
Older than me, like 3 years or 2 years. Maybe.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi siya nag-pop ng balloon?
Astropa.
Astropa.
Yung vibe.
Okay. Any specific reason kung bakit yung tropa yung vibe niya for you?
Yeah, like, nakikita ko simple lang siya. Pero for me, yung nakita pagpasok ko, sabi niya, okay ito maging tropa.
Alright, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Lizzie. I'm 32. I'm an IT engineer and a plus-size model. So, the reason why I pop is the age difference. So, okay siya physically. He parang matured na siya kasi he mentioned that he's a business owner. So, he knows how to handle money. So, ayun lang, yung age range. Ba kasi tsahin na niya ako eh. Bless sa tita. so yeah, that's my reason.
Okay, and do you have any response to that?
Yeah. Okay lang din.
Yun yung response mo. Okay,
yeah,
lang.
Okay lang din.
So, dahil sa age, kaya siya nag-pop?
Dahil sa age, sobrang layo.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya if not for the age?
Yeah, tropa.
Tropa din yung vibes.
Tropa din.
What gives you tropa vibes sa kanya?
Like, for me, no offense po. Parang tita vibes na
Tita
tropa.
vibes.
Yung tita sin Manila.
Oh, Tita San Juan.
Tita sin Manila.
Oh, yun yung vibe
Yeah,
niya
yeah,
for you. So,
yeah, for
magkakaroon ka ng tropa na tita for you.
Kasi may mga tropa po akong 32 above.
Okay.
Sila yung gumagabay din sa akin.
Okay. Do you have any response to that?
No. I'm the coolest tita you'll meet.
All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. So, I heard some pop balloons over here.
Hi, my name is Maru. I'm 28 and I'm a business analyst.
And Maru, why did you decide to pop your balloon?
I had to clarify if what was his age, 26 pala. And I prefer older guys. Yun lang. But physically, cute siya. Pero, yun.
Do you have any response to that?
Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you po sa compliment.
Okay. Type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi siya na-bother dun sa age?
Yeah, tropa din.
Tropa din. What gives you a tropa vibe from her?
Like, for the last...
Lizzie,
Yep. Parang for me, it's tita vibes din.
Tita vibes din.
Yeah. For me lang po. No offense po. No offense.
2 years lang agad
Pero for
natin.
me lang din naman.
Okay lang, you can have a lot of tropa naman.
Grabe naman.
Okay. Nagbilat si tita. Joke. Well, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. I'm 23. I work as a customer service representative.
Okay, and Alyssa, why did you pop your balloon?
I did pop my balloon kasi I realized na very nonchalant nga siya.
Ayaw mo sa nonchalant?
Ayoko kasi makulit ako. I like my man to match my energy. And hindi niya iisipin na childish yun. And the fact na sinabi niya na deal breaker niya is childish. I tend to be childish pero what I really want is assurance lang talaga. I feel like mahihirapan tayong mag-connect doon kasi baka isipin mo I'm just being childish. But the thing is I want assurance. Ganun lang.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya kung hindi yun yung mga sinabi niya kanina?
If I would go out on a date with him, yes, definitely. Why not?
Okay. And do you have any response to that?
Yeah.
Bawal yung okay lang
Pinap niya yung balloon niya dahil sa... ano yan?
A deal breaker sa'yo yung childish. And I know to myself na sometimes I tend to be childish.
Yung point ko doon sa childish, yung onting bagay, pinapalaki.
So immaturity, not childish in Okay.
That's my point dun sa sinabi ko kanina.
Do you have any response to that?
There are circumstances kasi na when you think of it, parang most of them sasabihin immature, but you don't delve deeper para ma-realize na it's not being childish. Parang it comes from a trauma that instead of you being angry, na childish siya with that certain acts, why not love her more, give her assurance, and everything. Like, parang gusto ko parang mas understanding pa na parang dapat, whatever you are, dapat tutulungan mo ako na parang, ayan lang, to go through that. Yan lang.
Thank you.
Wala ka ng response to that?
Wala na po.
Okay. All right. So agree to disagree na lang. Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Judith Salgado. I'm 33 years old. I'm a RPA software engineer and I pop my balloon because of age.
Okay, pero if not for the age, type mo naman ba sana siya? Sakto lang. Ba't ka natatawa?
Teka, bakit kinikilig?
Kinikilig ka daw?
Joke lang.
Natawa ako sa mukha niya. Okay. Ayaw mo yan, lagi kayong masaya together. Okay. Do you have any response to that?
Yeah, yung ilang taon na siya? 33, 26, 7, 8, 9. 7 years. Yeah, tita vibe.
Tita vibe ulit. Pero yung kanina 2 years lang yun
Hindi.
Yung computation mo
Tropa.
Okay, ang dami mo ng katropa today. We're making friends on this show, apparently. Is she your type kung hindi yun yung age gap ninyo?
Kung hindi ganun kalayo, oo.
Okay, sana. Do you have any response to anything he said? Wala na. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Unfortunately, all of the balloons have been popped. So thank you so much for joining. I hope you can join us again sa mga next episodes namin.
Thank you, Marion and Derek. Tropa! Magtutropa tayo mamaya, ha? Kain tayo, ha? Yan. Sabay-sabay tayo kakain, ha?
Oh, yan. Hindi na siya nonchalant. Sagot mo raw.
Ha? Sagot niya?
Ay, ba't ako? Hindi nga ako invited. Ako sagot ko pa rin. Okay, thank you so much. All right, here comes our next sexy single. Hi! So, what's your name and how old are you?
My name is Ryu or Ryu. I am 26 years old.
Okay, and Ryu, what do you do for a living or anong job mo?
Currently, I'm a multimedia artist, also a graphic designer.
Okay. And ano namang hobbies mo or what do you like to do for fun?
Currently, I have a lot of hobbies. One of my hobbies are currently reptile keeping.
Okay.
I do also cosplay sometimes. I sometimes also play games, but mostly my hobby is going to the gym and working out.
Okay. And ano namang hanap mo sa isang ideal partner? Personality, physical?
I mostly focus on personality.
Okay.
Recently, I think what I prefer in a person is a person that knows what they want and is not willing to bend over backwards for anybody. Just to let anyone get their way.
Okay. And ano namang mga deal breakers mo or if nalaman mong ganito yung potential partner mo, ayaw mo na?
Personally, yung taong ayaw po sa LDR.
Mga ayaw sa LDR. Okay. So right now, we have some pop balloons over here. So let's go over here and find out why they popped their balloons. Hi, so what's your name? How old are you? And what do you do for a living?
Hi, my name is Maru. I'm 28 and I'm a business analyst. Just the reason why I just pop the balloon is because of the age. 26 is younger. So I prefer older guys.
Pero if not for the age, type mo naman ba sana siya?
Yeah, he's cute.
And how about you? Do you have any response to what she said?
Hopefully, we can still be friends kasi I want more friends outside din po.
Okay. And then type mo naman ba sana siya if she didn't pop her balloon?
Again, mostly on personality po ako. So I prefer to get to know the person before telling if I like them.
Okay. So hindi mo pa ma-decide at this point. All right. Okay. Well, thank you so much. All right, so we have another pop balloon over here.
Hi, I'm Ja. I'm 28 and an analyst in BPO industry.
Okay, so Ja, bakit mo pinop yung balloon mo?
Yung sa part lang na LDR, kasi love language ko po is quality time and physical touch. So, may mga LDR naman ako before, pero sobrang tagal na nun. So, I don't think kung kakayanin ko pa siya ulit. Pero si Kuya is cute. And makinis ang face. Anong sabon mo, Kuya? Char.
Recommendation daw.
Safeguard lang po.
Safeguard lang daw pala. Okay. Do you have any response to what she said?
Thank you rin po sa honesty. In terms po kasi sa LDR, I am going to Australia in March next year. And I plan on staying there indefinitely because my whole family is there na. So, yun po, family first po ako.
Okay. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya if ever she was open to LDR?
Kinda po, yes po.
Kinda?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Well, is that your final answer? Okay, well, thank you so much.
Hi, my name is Alyssa. I'm 23. I work as a customer service representative. Actually, medyo same kami na sagot ni Ate Jack kasi di ko kaya yung LDR. Especially, you've mentioned sa Australia ka pala. Kala ko sa ibang, around Philippines lang. So, ang layo. So, hindi ko talaga siya kaya and physical touch din yung love language ko. So, clingy ako. Parang, ayun, di ko lang kaya. So, that's it. And overall, he's cute din. And,
so, type mo sana?
Yes, ayaw.
Dito ka na lang daw. Ikaw mag-adjust.
Yeah, family first. I love that.
Okay, do you have any response to that?
Wala naman po. Pero, yun nga po. Pupunta po Australia. Magiging citizen po ako within next year then as well. So, if ever man po, pwede ko naman po sila madala sa Australia.
Kailan? Oh, meron pa palang pa-citizenship over. Yung pala yung ano, no?
Libreng
Yun yung
gikan
reason. Bumalik ka na lang. When are you coming back, if ever?
Ang minimum stay ko po na gusto for myself is 5 years. So, I want to
You'll be
establish myself po doon.
Okay.
Kasi I have 2 sisters po. So, ako po yung mag-aalaga sa kanila.
But between those 5 years, you'll be going back and forth sa Philippines or no?
I don't think so po.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So, final answer na yun?
Yes po.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Hello, I'm Judith Salgado. I'm 33. Pinutok ko yung balloon ko kasi yun nga, yung age and then yung LDR. Hindi pa ako nakakaranas ng LDR so hindi ko pa alam yung feel. Tsaka yun nga, bata eh. Parang hindi ko preference talaga yung mga bata.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya without those factors in mind?
Okay lang kasi may tsura naman siya. Tsaka moreno. Okay ako sa moreno eh. Yun yung gusto ko sa lalaki. Moreno, ganyan. Tapos magandang umiti. Maganda yung mata.
Napasmile mo tuloy si ano. Okay. And do you have any response to what she said?
Thank you po dun sa compliments. Tapos, sa age din po, wala pa po kasi akong experience on dating older women po.
Okay.
I tend to date someone near my age. Maybe 2-3 years.
Younger.
Yung gap po.
Gap,
Either
okay.
older 3 years.
Alright. Pero type mo naman ba sana siya
Yes
without
po.
those factors? Bilis sumagot to. So you guys don't want to change your mind? Final na doon or?
Yes, final na po.
Okay. Sorry.
Okay lang po.
Okay. Well, thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Cars. I'm 29 years old. I'm a marketing associate.
Okay. And bakit mo pinop yung balloon mo?
Actually, sa age lang. Pero kasi, yung mga sinasabi niya, ang interesting ng mga hobbies niya, yung mga sinasabi niya, like, wala naman akong ma-comment doon talaga. Kung same age kami, siguro, I won't pop my balloon. Kaso kasi 3 years kasi yung gap namin. 29 ako.
Pero type mo naman sana siya?
Yes, actually, cute siya.
Do you have any response to that?
Thank you for your honesty lang po. And yun nga, hope to be friends din outside of this po. Thank you.
Pero type mo naman ba sana siya if ever?
I'd like to get to know her din. So.
Okay, alright. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Lizzie. I'm 32. I'm an IT engineer and plus size model. So the reason is same with them, yung age gap kasi. But he has an interesting hobbies. That's why I didn't pop my balloon yet. And effective yung safeguard. Ang kinis sa mukha niya. But that's it.
And do you have any response to that?
Yun lang din po. Thank you for your honesty din. Hope to be friends with you outside po.
Okay, pero type mo naman ba sana siya if ever?
I'd also like to get to know her.
Okay. All right. Well, thank you so much. Okay. Well, unfortunately, all the balloons have been popped. But thank you so much for joining us, and we hope you can join us again sa mga next episodes namin. Thank you.
Thank you.
And that has been our show. Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell to watch our next episode. Join us again next time for more Pusuan or Laro!